previous setup was a slow process. We was only running about 15 tonne per hour, and it was heavily reliant on manual labour. Due to Brexit and other issues we were facing in the UK, we couldn't get the staff. So we had to decide what the route was for Baileys. We decided that automation was the best route to improve quality and quantity. Start to finish, well, first off we had the initial talks on what Baileys as a whole, what desire we had to grow. As I mentioned previously, we were only running about 15 tonnes an hour, but we had a desire to grow in quantity, but it's not a simple task of just getting more tonnage in. The quality of the product has to be there as well. So it was a case of them understanding what we needed, and then they put pen to paper and started designing for us. It's tremendously, in short. Exactly what we set out to do. From start to finish, the process is simple. It's not been overcomplicated. We've got some nice fundamental machines throughout the process that's enabled us to not only increase the tonnage that we can throughput, the quality of the material is far achieved or outweighed what we were ever expecting. I highly recommend speaking with CRS for other companies. Now we've got a perfect setup for what I need, and that's going to allow us to grow furthermore.